This is Irene G. and Catherine Mao's submission. For E.T.'s house, we've mainly chosen to use wind turbines because Greenland, where E.T.'s house is, has lots of consistent wind. We've also chosen to use tidal energy power generators because where he lives is very close to the ocean, so we can harness some of that energy. We did not choose to use solar energy as Greenland does not have lots of consistent sunlight, so it would be inefficient and a little more difficult than the other choices. In this house, we have a swimming pool, a gaming room, and a gym because E.T. has mentioned that he loves swimming, he loves video games, and he loves dancing, so we try to accommodate his hobbies. He also said that he likes the colors orange, blue, and white, so we've also decided to design our house in those colors. He says he likes big windows, so we've also placed many big windows so it can accommodate to his taste. Our house has -4 carbon footprint, as we've tried to use wind turbines and other sustainable energy sources, and we've tried to cut down on unsustainable energy sources that are bad for the environment. This project costs $7,220 as we try to spend as little as possible while still having an effective and efficient design. To reduce carbon footprints at home, we can try to use less water and electricity. For example, when you're washing your hands, you can turn off the tap when you're lathering the soap on, and you can try to shower for a few minutes less. When you're not in a room, you can also try to turn off the lights. And those are only a few suggestions on how you can reduce your carbon footprint.